Greetings, welcome to Shamrockin Guitar Lessons. This channel is dedicated to getting you guys from being absolute beginner guitar players to playing chords, playing your favourite songs and having some fun. Now we're going to start at the absolute beginning. We'll get through things like tuning a guitar, changing the strings, learning the basic major and minor chords, straight up to playing your favourite songs, and perhaps even writing some songs along the way. This is great fun. You don't have to do it on a professional level. On a semi-professional level, you can just do it for fun around the house. I have 2 kids and I do it all the time just to make them laugh, just to have a little bit of fun. So we're going to take you on a journey. This is your journey. Whether you've bought a guitar already or you're going to buy a guitar, I can offer advice on that as well. Not every guitar suits every individual. You may want to start on an acoustic guitar or an electric guitar. Choice is yours, but there's pros and cons to starting on each one. I started playing guitar when I was 10 years of age. That is, in my opinion, the ideal time to start is when you're a young kid, but that's not always the case for everybody. And quite often now, especially with the pandemic, people are starting to do things. They're ordering guitars from all sorts of websites and they're starting off and they might hit a plateau where they don't know where to go with this. This is what this channel is dedicated to, is to get you from the very beginning to wanting to play, to learn stuff, and to not want to give in. It's very easy to give in at the beginner stages because you just don't know where to go for the information. A lot of YouTube channels deal with people at a certain level. I found that very few channels dedicate to going right back to the very, very beginning. So that's what I'm going to do. And just a quick piece of information, the way I look upon things is that music is a language. If you want to look upon a note as a letter and a chord as a word, and then once you start playing further onto that, it then becomes a sentence. So I'm trying to get you to get to the level of playing sentences and about it coming easier to you, and you don't hit that brick wall so quickly. So in the future, then you can pick out your favorite song, and you can hear, oh, well, that must be this chord, or that must be that chord, and that'll get you up to a certain level that your ear will be able to hear music in a certain way that you weren't able to hear before you started to learn how to play guitar. But the one thing I will go back to is that a lot of people don't kind of grab the concept that music is play. If you consider it like when a child plays, they experiment, they question everything. And that's the kind of mindset that if you have going into playing guitar, it will hold you in good stead. You will question everything. You will take what you know, experiment with it, and realize that it evolves into other things. And you will continue to learn. You will build upon the information that you already know. And when you take it into smaller parts, each smaller part will build up into a bigger part, and your learning will be continuous. You will gain more confidence, and the more confidence you have, the more you want to practice. The more practice you have, the better you become. And it's a fantastic cycle to get into, because once you pick the instrument up, then it'll be tough to put it down. And you will look forward to each time that you pick it up. And that's where I want to get to with you guys, to have that fire, to pick up the guitar, to continuously improve and to enjoy it. And that's the most important thing, is to enjoy it. Right, we'll get going. Thanks for listening and enjoy the first lesson.